when you are bringing into the House, at least the members has to have the power to give amendments. Yesterday, what happened, sir? This bill has been brought into the notice of member only afternoon, around afternoon. Then the amendment time will be ceased till 3:30. Then how can the members move amendments, sir? Yes. This is basically you are actually bulldozing the legislation, sir. Yes. This type of legislation bulldozing is not happened in this house, sir. Yes. Sir, members have to. Why that, sir? You need to give time for amendment, sir. Sir, there are several provisions to be given amendment. There is no time at all.
Okay. Okay. आप सुनिए. आप बैठिए, एक विषय मैं दे दूं. माननीय सदस्यगण, मैंने सभी जो गैर सरकारी माननीय सदस्यों के जो भी संशोधन प्रस्ताव थे वह और सरकारी संशोधन प्रस्ताव दोनों को बराबर का समय दिया है. मैंने ऐसा नहीं किया कि आपके मैंने सबको, मैंने जितना भी समय गैर सरकारी संशोधन को दिया है उतना ही समय सरकारी संशोधनों को दिया है. मैंने दोनों में कोई अंतर नहीं किया गया है.
मंत्री जी
हाँ, एक मिनट एन के प्रेमचंद्र जी, आप बता दीजिए.
Sir, my point of order is relating to Rule 80, Clause 1 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, and under Rule 376 of the Rules of Procedure, and also colon sector, page 615. Sir, now this House is considering a bill, Waqf Amendment Bill 2024, as reported by the Joint Committee, Parliamentary Joint Committee. We are not discussing the original bill. It is as reported by the Joint Parliamentary Committee. My definite question to the Honorable Speaker, sir, is whether the Joint Parliamentary Committee has the right to incorporate new provisions in the bill. It is beyond the powers and ambit of the Joint Parliamentary Committee. They have incorporated so many new provisions. I have no objection in respect of those provisions. Even 2A also, it is appreciable. We don't have any objection. Sir, very serious technical matter. And kindly see, only even the House, Speaker sir, even the House do not have the authority to make wait. You can reply after that. You can reply after. Sir, you can reply after me. Sir, even this Parliament, even this Lok Sabha, this August House, do not have the right to incorporate a new provision unless you suspend Rule 81. But what is Rule 81, sir? Sir, Rule 81 is very clear. Rule 81 says the following conditions shall govern the administrability of amendments to clauses or schedules of a bill. An amendment shall be within the scope of the bill and relevant to the subject matter of the clause which relates. Whether these so many provisions in the new drafted bill, extraneous provisions are also incorporated, that will not come within the purview. That is why I am saying even this House do not have the right to make new provisions unless, let me please, unless and until Rule 81 is suspended. I do agree, sir, I do agree with you. The government has the power. The minister has the power. The minister has the power to move amendments, and also they can recommend. Joint Parliamentary Committee can recommend. But they cannot come with new provisions as a newly drafted bill for which there is no right.
Okay.
Sir, I am quoting colon sector. Very important.
पढ़ लिया, आपका मैं व्यवस्था दे रहा हूं, पहले गृह मंत्री बताएंगे. हो गया वो. मैं व्यवस्था दूंगा, पहले गृह मंत्री बताएंगे, फिर व्यवस्था. मान्यवर, इनको पढ़ लें दो पूरा. 1 मिनट, इनको पढ़ लें दो. आप पढ़ लो, आप पूरा पढ़ लो.
Sir, colon sector, page 615. The motion for reference of a bill to a select committee may include instruction to the committee to consider matters other than those dealt with in the bill but relating to the subject matter of the bill. Instruction to the committee for amendments of such sections of the Parent Act as are not covered by the amending bill whenever given are to be specific and clear, unquote.
Okay.
That means unless and until the House specifically directed to go into this, they have no right to make new provisions in the bill. It is beyond the powers of the Joint Parliamentary Committee. They have acted, for
Okay.
which I am seeking a ruling from.
आप बात खत्म करें, माननीय गृह मंत्री जी।